Welcome to our tutorial on creating a process map using Smart Process. In this guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of designing a clear and effective process map, a crucial tool for visualizing and optimizing workflows within your organization. To create a process map, we need to use the Explorer by right-clicking. After we have launched the editor, we will begin by creating the design. To do this, we use the symbols available in the menu on the left side of the screen. For organizing our process map, we specifically use the rectangle tool to structure and outline the different elements. After selecting the rectangle, we adjust its size and position using the green border that appears around it. Once the rectangle is properly adjusted, we focus on the text within it and apply the necessary formatting through the editor's tools. After finalizing the text formatting, we copy the rectangle and paste a duplicate on the right side of the design, ensuring that it is aligned parallel to the original. This method helps in creating a well-organized and consistent layout for our process map. Next, we use the rectangle to create the swim lanes for our process map. After positioning the rectangle as needed, we right-click on it to open the context menu. From this menu, we navigate to the Object toolbar, where we set the height of the rectangle to 230 units. Once the height is adjusted, we proceed by naming the swim lane to reflect its purpose. Following this, we add the appropriate process groups to the swim lane, ensuring that the elements of the process map are organized and categorized effectively. After adjusting the rectangle, we name the swim lane by adding a text annotation. By double-clicking, we can add and name the text annotation. Following this, we create a process group and name it as well. Next, we color the swim lanes by selecting them and choosing a color from the color palette in the upper menu. We do the same for the process groups to ensure both are clearly distinguished in the process map. After saving, we can view the individual process groups in the left menu. Once we open one of the process groups, we can begin editing it as needed. I hope this tutorial has given you all the information you need to create a well-organized and effective process map. If you have followed the steps outlined, you should now be able to design and structure your process map clearly. In the upcoming tutorial, we will delve into the topic of process modeling, where we will explore how to model processes in detail.